If you are someone who's looking for a budget-friendly TWS, let's say for under 2000 rupees, I have just the products for you. Bolt recently launched its new TWS in collaboration with Ford Mustang, a very well-known car which has its own popularity. So are you saying that these TWS are just like Ford Mustang, but it's an exotic car and these are budget-friendly devices? Maybe they share similar performance? So I have the Bolt Q headphones and Bolt Talk earbuds for a quick review to find out which one of them are truly inspired by the legendary Ford Mustang. Let's begin.
With world's fastest car, the Mustang.
The Mustang.
दुनिया का पहला मस्टैंग ईयरबड्स
बोल्ट ने लॉन्च कर दिया फोर्ड मस्टैंग के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में TWS ईयरबड्स
World's first Mustang earbuds, and that is Bolt Talk, Bolt Dash, Derby.
Let's start with their design first because it's an interesting part for these TWS. I have the headphones in blue and the earbuds in yellow, and if you ask me, I like the earbuds more. It comes with a Mustang-like livery. You get stripes on the case, there's Ford's logo, Mustang's branding, and there are two USB ports on the back because... And when you open it, you get a really cool interface with lights and all. The Bolt Q headphones on the other hand look pretty much like your usual budget headphones. There's Mustang branding. I like the padding on these headphones, but there's nothing unique about their design, unlike Bolt Torque. Now let's move to their performance. I heard the same song on these TWS and one noticeable change between them was noise cancellation. Now neither of them features active noise cancellation, but because of the padding, the Bolt Q headphones feel slightly better when it comes to audio delivery. Both of them are loud enough, but on high volumes the audio quality gets compromised and it starts pricking your ears. So my suggestion would be you keep the volume between 50% to 70% for the best results. While the bass feels a little flat on the headphones, the Bolt Talk delivers great bass for the price you are paying. About connectivity now, both of them come with Bluetooth 5.4 and they connect with Android, iOS or Windows devices instantly. Apart from that, if you are a gamer, you get a 60 millisecond low latency mode on them for zero audio lag. Along with this, you get a 3.5mm audio jack on these headphones, which is even better for gaming. But mics on these TWS are quite impressive. They come with ENC, which is supposed to reduce the environmental noise around you, but this feature leaves room for improvement. However, the calling on both of these TWS is decent as the voice transmission to the other end is clear. And lastly, the battery life. This is one thing that is supposed to be inspired by Mustang as these TWS deliver beast battery performance. I charged them to 100% only once and both of them lasted for a week. For more context, I used them 3 to 4 hours every day for 7 days. So these were the Bolt Mustang TWS, and between both of them, I would like to go with the Bolt Q headphones because 3 reasons. First, they are more comfortable when you wear them. Second, more than bass, I would prefer a less distorted audio output from my TWS, which I get in these headphones thanks to its padding. And third is this tiny hole. 3.5mm audio jack is always a plus point for me. But if you are someone who likes bassy music and cool looking earbuds, you can go with the Bolt Talk. There's only a 200 rupees difference in their prices. The Bolt Q headphones come at a price of 1999, whereas the Bolt Talk are priced at 1799. So what do you think about these TWS? Let me know in the comments and I am gonna be back very soon.